Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system and update. Then date and time. And first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers. So now we can freely tap on date and change month, day and year just by swiping. Same with the time, just by swiping you can change minutes and hours. You can also select the time zone, tap on it, and here we've got the full list, so find yours and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here you can decide whether you'd like to use the dual clock, so your device will display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from other place of your choice. Is completely up to you. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and here you can select the time format. You can either use the 24-hour one or 12-hour format. If you wish to get back to previous options, so the automatic options, simply tap on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.